Welcome back to the White Belt Sous Chef. Hope you're enjoying day 3,496 of the quarantine. Things are going well. We've done a couple other recipes up until now, but today I would like to focus a little bit more on technique and getting a technique down so when you have to forage through your pantry, you can find whatever you need to make a dish. We're deep into the pandemic, so we're kind of left with what we have. I went outside and I tackled a chicken right here, so a couple kimuras, and I got some chicken thighs out of that. Chickpeas, garbanzo beans, whatever you like to call them. I got some pepino seeds, a little bit of blood orange juice, onions and garlic, can of crushed tomatoes. I made a spice blend here of paprika, cayenne, black pepper, and salt. And then I've got a little bit of rosemary oil. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure our oven's at about 350 degrees because we're going to be searing our chicken, getting everything in the pot, popping everything in the oven. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure our pan is nice and hot over here, which it is. We're good to go. We want to be able to put the chicken in and hear it sizzle. If we put the chicken in and it's not hot enough, the chicken's just going to stick to the bottom of the pan and you're going to have a nightmare. So hopefully we're going to put our little bit of olive oil and rosemary in there. You can hear it sizzling already. I'm going to go with this is skinless, but I'm going to take the skin side down. It's the first sear. So I got a pound of chicken thighs, comes out to about three chicken thighs like this. So at this point we're going to get a nice sear. We're going to turn up the heat. We're going to brown them on one side. Then when we flip them over, we're going to start dressing them up. We're going to cook off the garlic and the onions, get them cooking. It's all about timing. So if you want to push your knee slide in and they're not giving you the knee slide, you're in trouble. But if they give you the ankle lock, you go for the ankle lock. So you want to have your timing down, and part of the timing is making sure you don't burn your onions and garlic while you're cooking. So the chickens are still sticking a little bit, so we're going to give them a little bit more time. We got our chicken thighs browned on one side, flipped over. I'm going to give them a little bit of salt on each one, right there. And now I'm going to hit it with the garlic and the onions to give that a little bit of time to saute up a little bit. And at this point, we're going to get a nice waft of aroma of onions and garlic. It's going to help the chicken develop some flavor as well. We're just going to get them a little bit translucent, and then we're going to add everything else to it. Alright, so we're going to get into our chicken here. If you can see in our chicken pot, you're going to start to get a little browning here. This is what you want. This is called the fond. And when you add some liquid to it, you see it pulls all that up, and that's going to be part of your chicken flavor. So we're going to add our chickpeas, some pepitos, some spices, and our tomatoes. Give it a quick little stir. Alright, and now a little bit of juice. Alright, now we're going to take the Dutch oven itself and pop her in the oven. And we're going to give this a half an hour to cook at 350. So, cooking is a lot of relaxing, guys. So now we got a half an hour to do whatever you like to do. Enjoy your time. See you in 30 minutes. Alright, welcome back. So we just relaxed for half an hour. I'm feeling really good. Really calm. Got the big red out of the oven. 30 minutes, 350 degrees, and here's what we have. So here's our one pot. We got chickpeas, the tomatoes are all cooked in. Chicken's perfectly cooked. Look at that, nice and juicy. Shreds easily. Go. Cheap, easy, takes about no time to prep. In the oven, all in all, 45 minutes. You got yourself a nice dinner. I'll give you some variations. We can go Asian, we can go Mexican, we can go a bunch of different directions. So it's very versatile, much like the headquarters. Enjoy your evening, guys.